Imagine for a moment that everything you know, your thoughts, experiences, and the world around you, is not quite what it seems. Instead of living in a tangible reality, we might be part of an incredibly advanced computer simulation. This idea, known as the simulation hypothesis, has captured the imagination of scientists, philosophers, and even filmmakers. But what exactly is this hypothesis, and how did it come to be one of the most intriguing topics of our time? The roots of the simulation hypothesis stretch deep into the annals of philosophy, with Descartes' skepticism and questions about the nature of reality. However, it was in the realm of contemporary thought that the hypothesis began to take shape in earnest, notably through the work of philosopher Nick Bostrom. In 2003, Bostrom published a paper arguing that at least one of three propositions is true. Either civilizations never reach a level of technological maturity capable of creating reality simulations, or civilizations that do reach this capability choose not to run such simulations, or we are almost certainly living in a simulation. This trilemma sparked significant debate and curiosity, not least because it challenged fundamental assumptions about existence. One of the central arguments supporting the simulation hypothesis is the rapid progression of technology. We have already created virtual environments and simulations that mimic aspects of our world, from video games with astounding realism to sophisticated AI systems. As technology continues to evolve, some believe the line between a simulated world and the real world might blur beyond recognition. If we can create immersive simulations today, imagine what could be possible in hundreds or even thousands of years. Furthermore, this hypothesis gains a foothold when we consider Moore's law, which suggests that computing power doubles approximately every 2 years. As computers become increasingly powerful, the possibility of producing highly sophisticated simulations becomes more feasible. In such a scenario, future civilizations might conduct simulations indistinguishable from reality for historical analysis, entertainment, or even scientific research, leading us to ponder, could we be products of such an advanced simulation? Diving deeper into the argument, some point to peculiarities in physics as potential hints that we might indeed be living in a simulated world. The discovery of quantum mechanics and the bizarre behavior of particles at a subatomic level have raised questions about the fundamental nature of reality. Some proponents of the simulation theory suggest that these anomalies could be artifacts of an underlying computer code, much like glitches or limits within a virtual environment. However, not everyone is convinced by the simulation hypothesis. Critics argue that it is nearly impossible to prove or disprove, making it more of a philosophical notion rather than scientific fact. Lack of empirical evidence and reliance on speculative ideas leads some to dismiss the hypothesis as a thought experiment rather than a plausible explanation of our existence. Moreover, even if simulations are possible, the odds of us currently experiencing one might be astronomically low. With many profound questions about existence, the simulation hypothesis leaves us with more questions than answers. It challenges us to reflect on the nature of reality, consciousness, and the potential limits of human understanding. Are there elements of our universe that hint toward a constructed reality, or do we reside in a perfectly natural world, only viewing things through the prism of our technological age? Regardless of belief, the simulation hypothesis invites us to explore the boundaries of knowledge, pushing us to think critically about the world and our place within it. Whether it's through philosophical discourse, scientific inquiry, or creative storytelling, the idea continues to inspire and intrigue. In conclusion, the simulation hypothesis stands as a bold proposition, questioning the very fabric of existence and urging us to contemplate the possibilities of what is real and what might merely be an illusion. Whether we are players in an elaborate cosmic game or simply exploring the outer edges of philosophical thought, the journey itself enriches our understanding of both the universe and ourselves. As we advance, one can only hope that our quest for truth will bring us closer to unraveling the mysteries that shape our reality, simulated or not.